Hello, my sweet friends. We have made it to the end of the day. We have one last assignment, and that is going to be our writing prompt for Wednesday. So, I am going to show a video to you that talks about Alexander Graham Bell. If you know anything about Alexander Graham Bell, raise your hand. If you don't know anything about Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone. So, this video is a fun video. It's not one you can take an AR test on, but I thought it would be really fun to show. So as you watch this video, I want you to think about all of the modern conveniences that we have today. Some modern conveniences that we have are cell phones, dishwashers, microwaves, laptops, wireless internet, refrigerators, washers and dryers, and indoor privy or a toilet. Select one modern convenience. What did you select? How does it help you and your family? Does it make life easier for you and your family? So, after we watch this video, that is typed in this assignment so you're able to know what all your questions are.
The invention of the phone started at my home while I was sitting on the throne. Excuse me, I'd like to be alone. I'm Alexander Graham Bell. My mom and wife did not hear well, so I taught the deaf to speak and spell by tuning forks and producing sound. And then I thought, if I could make a current of electricity vary in intensity just as air varies in density, speech could transmit telegraphically. I kept improving inventions I was using, and with my bestie Watson, we made a telephone you can use when you're at home. Mr. Watson, come here, I want to see you. I just invented the telephone.
Alexander Graham Bell, you're going to change the world.
I know. Now you can call your friends to this phone, and you can call your dog to this phone. You can even call for food to this phone. Pizza please, pizza please, pizza please with double cheese.
I'm sorry, did you create the telephone just so you can call for pizza?
Don't be ridiculous. You can use the phone for so many other important things too. Like you can call your teacher, say I have lost all of my teeth, and spend the day with your pal Keith. Playing frisbee on the beach, and you can phone a plum.
Why would you call a plum?
Then take a selfie with that plum.
You'll be having so much fun.
But what is a selfie?
And the phone will keep on changing. It'll keep on elevating. 'Cause it'll keep creating things like text videos, games to play while on the go. Now you can call your friends
To this phone,
and you can call your dog.
to this phone,
You can even call for food.
to this phone.
Pizza please, pizza please, pizza please with anchovies.
Now all world leaders can use the phone to build relations and keep us safe from harm. It can improve your wealth and education, bring people together through communication. The phone will change the world we know.
Well, let's just go have some pizza. Now you can call your friends
To this phone,
and you can call your dog.
to this phone,
You can even call for food.
to this phone.
Pizza please, pizza please, pizza please with double cheese. Hello? A telephone company? In my name? That just might work! Oh, Watson!
So, after watching this video, I want you to go to Google Classroom, and I want you to scroll down to writing, click on Writing Prompt Wednesday, and open it up. click on the writing prompt assignment, and it is going to pop up this cute little bats. You're going to put your name, and the question that I asked before we watched the Alexander Graham Bell video is right here. Think about all the modern conveniences we have today. Some modern conveniences that we have today are cell phones, dishwashers, microwaves, laptops, wireless internet, refrigerators, washers and dryers, and indoor privy, or a toilet. Select one modern convenience and answer the following questions below in your writing. Your first sentence, you're going to tell what you select and use a complete sentence. Your second sentence, how does it help you and your family? You're going to tell how it helps and use a complete sentence. And your third sentence, does it make life easier for you and your family? Just like the top two, use a complete sentence when you answer your question. So you're going to have about 5 to 10 minutes. I hope that you had a fabulous day. I'm hoping that I will be back at school with you on Thursday. Fingers crossed. We will see. Y'all have a great afternoon. Bye.